Hey guys, today I'm going to show you two ways to do double crochet, and the first one is in the round. So I'm going to kind of skip ahead till I have my round part, and here I have my circle. So you have your first strand, you're going to wrap a second strand around your fingers, go through the center of that circle, pull your third strand, so you should have 1, 2, 3, and now you're going to pull a new strand through those first two loops, and then again through those second two loops. So that's your double crochet. So I'm going to show you again. You have your first loop, you're going to wrap a second loop around your fingers, go through the center of that hole, pull your third loop through, and now you're going to pull a new loop through the first two loops, and then now through those last two loops. So that's doing double crochet in the round. So I'm going to undo this and now show you a second way is when you have a foundation chain. So I skipped ahead, so you have that first loop, you're going to go through that hole next to the one that you had come through, do that same wraparound for your second loop, pull a third loop through that hole, so you have 1, 2, 3, and then pull your new loop through those two, and then a new loop through those two. So I'm going to show you one more time. So you're going to wrap that loop around your fingers, find that next hole in the chain, pull your third loop through there, and then pull through the first two, and then those last two. So that's two different ways to do double crochet. I hope that helps.